Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am making THIP SAMAI Pad Thai. All that we need is THIP SAMAI rice noodle that has instruction behind it, and of course shallot, prawn, and THIP SAMAI Pad Thai sauce. So first you need to soak the rice noodle inside the water. So you don't have to turn on the stove, just have to soak it inside the water and let it be until you can feel that the noodle is chewy enough to be eaten. Next, we will heat the oil to stir fry the prawn and shallot before putting in the noodle and sauce. So we wait until the oil is hot enough. Then put in the shallot. Wait until you can smell the fragrant smell of shallot. So if you don't know what is THIP SAMAI? THIP SAMAI is a famous Pad Thai restaurant in Thailand, near the palace in Bangkok, Thailand. It's very crowded. If you want to go there, you need to queue for at least 3 hours. I've been there for 3 times. Every time I went to Bangkok, I went there. So yeah, it has been 3 times. If you want to make this THIP SAMAI, you can buy all the ingredients in Thailand Bank. Of course, after the coronavirus outbreak has finished. I hope soon. So if you can see, the shallot has already changed its color inside the oil. You can put in the prawns. If your prawns are already half cooked, you can put inside the noodle that is already chewy. Next, stir it. Mix it with the prawn. You can put in the sauce, THIP SAMAI sauce. Then you need to stir it and mix it until every part of the pan are covered with the sauce. If you think it's not enough, you can add it more of the sauce. After every part of the noodle and prawns are covered with the sauce, make a space, a little space on the fat, and crack the eggs inside. So actually, THIP SAMAI eggs are omelets, and the noodle will be covered by omelets, but I cannot make that, so yeah. Just going to crack the eggs on the pan. You can add as many eggs as you want. And then next, stir it. Mix it with the noodle. So every part of the noodle gets the eggs. Next, put it on the plate, and here we are done. Can finally eat. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Stay at home and stay healthy.